Well done for making it to the end of all of these videos. I hope you've seen that a lot of SQL is so transferable from Excel. There are so many concepts in Excel that transition so naturally over to SQL. And so wrapping your head around them in SQL becomes really easy when you've already got this Excel foundation. We've seen that SQL, it sounds a lot like English. I know we didn't make that explicit in the latter videos, but just think to yourself, every time you write SQL code, does this sound like English? Does this sound right? Read it out loud. You might feel a bit silly, but do it anyway. Does it sound like real English? SQL is designed to sound this way, at least for simple queries. Obviously, we've gone through quite a lot of stuff at this point. And so when you start combining lots of different bits and pieces together, it sounds a little less and less like English, of course. The code that I've got on the right is just a template for most of the bits and pieces that we've seen over these videos. It has the order that they need to go in and the indentation that I recommend. Anywhere there's the ... you would need to fill in with then some real values. But I'll pop this in the description as well. But use this as a framework for your own SQL queries. If you can't quite remember where something goes, just check back to this or any other SQL stuff online. They'll all have something similar to this, just to make it really clear what goes where and what's available where. Now, although we have covered quite a lot of stuff, this is still really just the beginning. There's still loads of additional SQL things that you can learn. There's loads of functions that you can use. There's additional clauses that we haven't gone through. There's additional features that we can exploit that we haven't had time to talk through in these videos. So get familiar with these. And if you're liking these, there's so much more that you can go and learn. If you're interested in learning more about SQL Server specifically, that's Microsoft SQL Server, the flavor that we've been using for these videos, I strongly recommend checking out the Data with Bert channel on YouTube. He has loads of videos specifically on SQL Server and a lot of the great features that database has. If you're working with another SQL flavor, there's going to be loads of other videos online for that specific SQL flavor as well. I just want to thank you for spending your time on these videos, and I really hope that it's been helpful for you. If it has, drop a thumbs up or a comment below just to let me know. I'd really appreciate it. But other than that, thank you very much and happy coding.